Hey guys, this is me back again with a new video. In this series, I'm going to educate you how can you invest into a stock market. I'm going to teach you how to create a brokerage account, how to deposit fund into your account, and then how to buy a stock of a specific company and sell a stock of a specific company. Then I'm going to teach you how can you withdraw your profit or losses into your bank account. So before that, today in this video, I want to discuss 4 basic rules that you need to follow. If you follow those rules, it will make your life a little bit easier. So number 1 rule is, while trading into stocks, is be patient. You have to be patient while trading. Do not rush into trades, wait for the right moment. Being patient helps you avoid impulsive decisions and increases your chances of success. So, being patient is the top priority while trading in stocks. So, number 2 rule is that you have to spend only that amount which you can afford to lose, or the amount that you can play with. That amount should not have, even if you lose that amount, should not have any effect on your mental health, or financially you are not dependent on that amount. So only risk what you can afford to lose. Third one is avoid greed. Okay, don't be too greedy. Set realistic profit goals and stick to them. For example, let's say you buy a stock in a company called A. You spend $100 to get one stock. Okay, now you set a goal that you will exit or you will sell that stock when the company's stock price reaches $105. Okay, in this way you will create a profit of $5. But there is also a possibility that company perform very well and reach its stock price reach to 110. But here you do not need to be greedy. You have to set your goals initially. And similarly, in case of losses, you have to set your losses at how much loss can you bear per trade. Okay, let's say you set a limit or goal that if the stock price of company A become less than $95, you will sell it. So these are the goals that you have to establish, and you must avoid greed at any cost. And number 4 is that the market changes, so you should know and update it. Learn new strategies and improve your skills time to time. So there you have it. 4 simple trading rules. Be patient, only risk what you can afford to lose, avoid greed, and never stop learning. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for future videos. And in my next video, I'm going to show you a few online tools that will enable you to start trading. It's called paper trading. It is not real money that you can use to buy stocks. It's just a fake money that you can use to practice how to invest into stock market. I'm going to explain all that in my next video. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.